In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bucket in Microsoft Planner. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Planner in your browser and logging in with your account details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of everything happening in your workspace. Now turn your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll find a list of your plans. Go ahead and click on the planner plan you want to work with, such as the one named Spring Campaign Plan. This opens that specific plan so you can start making changes. Next, you want to switch the plan into Board View. Look near the top of the plan and click Board. This view organizes your tasks into columns, which makes it easy to see how everything is grouped. With the board open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the option labeled Group By. This setting controls how your tasks are arranged across the board. If Group By does not already show bucket or buckets, click Group By near the upper right to open the menu. Then, from the drop-down that appears, click Bucket or Buckets. This tells Planner to organize your tasks into bucket columns. Now you're ready to add the new bucket. If you don't see the option to add one, scroll horizontally to the right end of the bucket row until it comes into view. Once it's visible, click Add New Bucket at the right end of your existing buckets. This creates an empty column waiting for a name. At this point, you can type the name for your new bucket. For this example, go ahead and type Design Review into the field, taking your time as you enter each letter so it reads clearly on the column. When you finish typing the name, press Enter to confirm it. Your planner board now shows a brand new bucket column named Design Review sitting alongside your existing buckets. Because the plan is still grouped by buckets, this fresh column is ready to hold tasks for that project stage or work stream. You can now drag tasks into it or create new ones directly inside the column whenever you need them. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new bucket to your plan in Microsoft Planner. You now know how to switch to board view, group your tasks by buckets, and create a new bucket column from start to finish.